Meaning of engine.
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 Engine. The word engine refers to a machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy, which can then be used to perform useful work. Engines come in many different forms, from internal combustion engines found in cars to electric motors found in appliances. Regardless of their specific design, all engines operate by converting some source of energy into motion or work. By harnessing the power of engines, we are able to perform tasks more efficiently and with less physical effort than would otherwise be possible.